Have you ever felt like your car interior is a mess or worried about the battery suddenly dying on the road? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to share 12 of the smartest automotive gadgets you should have in your car in 2026, from a three-way spy camera to a tiny vacuum cleaner with insane power. Let's upgrade your car to the next level. Driving safety is elevated to the maximum level with the Vantrue N4 Pro S, the first 3-channel dash cam to use the Starvis 2 sensor in all 3 cameras, recording the front in 4K quality, the cabin in 1080p, and the rear in 2.5K simultaneously. This camera is 2 times more accurate in recognizing license plates even in low-light conditions, supports voice control and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant video transfer to mobile phones, the best insurance for every professional driver. Don't let a dead battery ruin your plans. NOCO Genius One is the all-in-one solution for charging, maintaining, and repairing dead batteries. It works with 6V and 12V batteries, including lithium and lead acid. It's 35% smaller in design, but packs much more power than previous models. Smart, safe, and worry-free battery maintenance. Just plug it in and let the temperature sensor automatically manage the charging. This portable tire pump from AstroAI is a lifesaver in an emergency. Simply set the desired pressure and it will automatically shut off when it reaches the target. Equipped with a bright LED light for night use, its 9.8-foot cable is long enough to reach all your car tires. Compact size with heavy-duty durability, a must-have in your trunk to maintain ideal tire pressure at any time. Turn your wired CarPlay into wireless instantly with the Jemluse adapter. No more plugging and unplugging every time you get in the car, because this device will automatically connect in seconds. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for zero latency performance, its small design and metal material make it heat-resistant and durable. Streamline your cockpit with seamless connectivity. Drive more focused without messy cables. Stop the gap beside the seat that often swallows your cell phone or keys with Homaupt Gap Filler, made of elegant and soft premium PU leather so it won't damage the interior. Innovative loop design ensures it moves with your seat. Installation is very easy and immediately gives a neat impression to the center console. No more fishing for dropped items under the seat. Your old car can have a sophisticated screen without having to dismantle the dashboard. BuonaIdea 7-inch screen supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto just by plugging it into the cigarette lighter. Includes a waterproof backup camera for safer parking. The screen is very responsive and can play videos from YouTube or TikTok via MARRRCH. Upgrade your driving experience in minutes. The most economical solution for modern navigation and entertainment. A functional 2-in-1 phone holder that also makes the cabin smell good. MARRRCH MagSafe holder has 20 super strong N55 magnets to keep your iPhone stable on rough roads. The built-in designer air freshener keeps your car smelling luxurious. Can be rotated 360 degrees for a perfect navigation angle. Strong hold with a fresh scent. A small gadget that makes the interior feel much more luxurious. Be your own personal car mechanic with OBDeleven. This official diagnostic tool lets you scan error codes, set hidden features, and even reset the service light via your phone. The Pro Pack is perfect for Volkswagen, Audi, and BMW enthusiasts. Very easy to use without requiring any special mechanical skills. Save money and time on workshop visits. Full control of your vehicle's health is in your hands. The most legendary phone holder with a patented one-touch mechanism. Just attach the phone and the arm will lock automatically with just one hand. Features a telescopic arm that extends up to 8 inches. The suction cup is very strong, both on the glass and dashboard. The gold standard for secure phone mounting. Also equipped with a magnetic cable organizer to keep the steering area tidy.
Small but powerful, HOTO vacuum has a suction power of 20,000 Pa that can lift the most stubborn dirt in between the seats. Not only sucking, this tool can also blow dust on the keyboard to pump up swimming floats. It's cordless, lightweight, and fits perfectly in your glove box. Its 96,000 RPM motor ensures very efficient cleaning. Your pocket-sized cleaning powerhouse.
Turn your cigarette lighter socket into a home power outlet with the BESTEK 200-watt inverter. Charge your laptop, camera, and breast pump simultaneously via 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports. Features an LCD screen to monitor your car's battery voltage. Its smart cooling fan works very quietly so it doesn't disturb your comfort. Power your home electronics on the road, a must-have companion for road trips or camping. Bring the cabin atmosphere to life with Govee LED lights. Choose from 16 million colors and various music modes that make the lights dance to the beat of the song. Control everything via the smart Govee Home app. The two-line design makes it easy to install neatly without exposed cables. Set the perfect mood for every night drive. Turn your ordinary car into a cool walking club.